We just found out we were being watched in our Airbnb.
One of the friends, she had seen videos on TikTok about hidden cameras in outlets, so she thought to shine her flashlight in, and lo and behold, she found the first camera.
The sign of a camera would be a broken outlet, like the top plug worked, the bottom one didn't. There was a crack, and if you looked into the little hole of the outlet, you could see the lens.
It was very scary knowing that the two cameras that we did find were facing the showers.
So what started out as a fun weekend took a bit of a dark turn, and we all got very scared. We were like making makeshift weapons, hiding them under our pillows, locking all the doors. Like, we had dogs. We were scared to take them outside because we thought that if we had found the cameras and they were live streamed, then maybe somebody was watching us find the cameras and they were going to come get us.
Like children that could have been staying and having baths and showers in there, it could be for this person's personal use, or they could be distributing these videos and selling them online and on the dark web. Like, we don't know, and that the thought of that and the reality of what could be is very frightening.